Hi everyone, I'm Miss Megan, and welcome to Rhyme Time. These are short videos full of songs, rhymes, and stories to give you a piece of story time at home or wherever you are. Now, this is a pre-recorded video. However, I might make mistakes sometimes. So if you see me make a frustrated face or say sorry and start something over again, I just think it's important to model that we all make mistakes sometimes, and all you can do is try again and keep moving forward. So with that, let's sing our hello song, Bread and Butter. And for this song, we're gonna pat our laps and then clap. And if you can't do that motion, you could always nod your head or alternate the actions for whatever you're able to do. And the same goes for all the songs and rhymes and actions I share today. Ready? Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as we can. Hello! Great. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as fast as we can. Hello. Oh, that was really fast. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slow as we can. Hello. Great. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as high as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as low as we can. Hello. Well done, everyone. Like I said, I'm Miss Megan, and this is Rhyme Time. And this week, we're going to be talking about space and rockets. Now, some of you may have gotten a Rhyme Time kit. And in that kit, there should have been a little puppet, which is a little rocket ship, a scarf, an egg, and some early literacy tips. Now, if you didn't get a kit, no worries. As of the recording of this video, we have a few extras, so you can always sign up on our events page, so you can pick one up by curbside pickup. But it's only as supplies last, so we may be out, but you can always check with us to see if we have more. But if you don't have it, no worries. You can still do the songs and activities we're going to do today without these things. But and I'll just show you how you can incorporate them if you do have them. So the first song we're going to do is Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. And we're going to use our rocket ship puppet for that. So ready? So, first, we'll be bouncing our rocket, and then at one point, we're going to be lifting our rocket into the air. Ready? Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard my rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Woo! There goes our rocket. Good job, everyone. Now, in addition to this rocket, I have a few more rockets. Here is one of them. What color is this rocket? It's orange. Now, so we have this rocket, and we have our rocket puppet. Let's take a look to see how they're similar and different from each other. So our puppet rocket, it has, what color is this? Red. And what color is this part of the body of the rocket? White. And then it has a stripe across. What color is the stripe? Blue. And then it has this kind of color near the top. Let's see if the light will make it better. What color is that? Yeah, it's like an orange color. So all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different colors on our rocket. Now, this orange rocket that we have here, what color are its legs? Yeah, it's like a dark orange. And the body part, it's a light orange. And if you can see our window here, it has a gray outline for the window, and the inside the window is white. So let's count how many colors we have in this rocket. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. both of our rockets have 4 different colors on them, but they look different because there's different colors and different amounts of each colors. So they both have white and they both have orange, but they still look different. Now, on our puppet rocket, what's here at the bottom? It's fire, because rockets need fire and fuel to help it go up. But does this rocket have fire? No, this one doesn't. And let's see, are they about the same size? Yeah, they look pretty much about the same size as each other. Good job, everyone. Our rocket has some similarities and some differences. Now, this orange rocket, we have a few others that look similar to it. We have this one. What color is this one? Pink. And then we have another one. What color is this rocket? Purple. And lastly, what color is this rocket? Blue. Let's count our rockets. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 total rockets all together. And this rhyme is called 4 Little Rockets. 4 little rockets winking at me. One shot off. And then there were 3. We took 1 away from our group of 4. We subtracted 1, so we just have 3 left. 3 little rockets with nothing to do. 1 shot off. And then there were 2. So we took away 2, and now we just have 2 left. 2 little rockets afraid of the sun. 1 shot off. And then, how many do we have left? Just 1. Oh, you can kind of see the purple one. Just the one pink one here. 1 little rocket alone is no fun. 1 shot off. And then there were none. Good job, everyone. Now our next song is going to be the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. But instead, it's going to be us preparing to go to the moon. So it's called If You're Going to the Moon. And for this song, we're going to wear a helmet. So we got to put a helmet on. We need to wear boots. So we'll put on our boots. And we need to put on gloves, because we're going to put on our spacesuit. Ready? If you're going to the moon, wear your boots. If you're going to the moon, wear your boots. If you're going to the moon, this is what you have to do. If you're going to the moon, wear your boots. Great. And next, we're going to put on our helmet. Ready? If you're going to the moon, wear your helmet. If you're going to the moon, wear your helmet. If you're going to the moon, this is what you have to do. If you're going to the moon, wear your helmet. Awesome. Lastly, we're going to put on our gloves that go on our, what part is this? Our hands. Ready? If you're going to the moon, wear your gloves. If you're going to the moon, wear your gloves. If you're going to the moon, this is what you have to do. If you're going to the moon, wear your gloves. Awesome job, everyone. Now next, we're going to do an action rhyme. We're going to do some stretching, take a break from our singing. So ready? Reach up high, reach for the stars. There goes Jupiter, and there goes Mars. Reach up high, high for the sky. Wearing your tiptoes, up high, high, high. Good job, everyone. And our next song is going to be called Orbiting the Moon. So we're going to use our puppet again, if you have one. But if you don't, you can always just pretend your hand if you're able to make a fist. Or you can just raise your hand like this so it kind of looks like a rocket. And then with your other hand, we'll make a fist. We're going to pretend that this is the moon, if you're able to. Ready? So the first part, we're going to be called orbiting the moon. Now can you say that word with me? Orbit. Orbit. And to orbit something means you go around it. The moon is so big that when a rocket goes near the moon, it gets pulled around it in a circle. So ready? So this song goes like, she'll be coming on the mountain. We'll be orbiting around the moon, yes we will. We'll be orbiting around the moon, yes we will. We'll be orbiting around the moon, we'll be orbiting around the moon, we'll be orbiting around the moon, yes we will. Great. And next we need to land our rocket. Ready? We'll be landing on the moon, yes we will. We'll be landing on the moon, yes we will. We'll be landing on the moon, we'll be landing on the moon, we'll be landing on the moon, yes we will. Awesome. Now that we're on the moon, what do you think we should do? Should we go explore? Yeah, let's do that. So we're gonna put our puppet down, and if you want, we can pretend that we're walking on the moon. But not everyone can walk, so you can pretend that you're in a wheelchair or using a walker, because everyone needs different ways to move around. So I'm gonna use two little fingers to pretend I'm walking. Ready? We'll be walking on the moon, yes we will. We'll be walking on the moon, yes we will. We'll be walking on the moon, we'll be walking on the moon, we'll be walking on the moon, yes we will. Awesome. Now, lastly, now that we explored, it's time to go home to Earth. So we're going to pretend that we're blasting off. Ready? We'll be blasting off again, yes we will. We'll be blasting off again, yes we will. We'll be blasting off again, we'll be blasting off again, we'll be blasting off again, yes we will. Awesome job, everyone. Now our last song is going to include the scarves that we included. But first, what letter does our rocket start with? It makes the sound rrr, rrr. What letter makes the rrr sound? It's the letter R. So let's practice writing the letter R on our hands. Ready? So first, the letter R, it's a nice up and down shape. And then it does like a half circle, a curved shape. That. And then lastly, we make a diagonal. That is a big letter R. So let's practice it. Ready? Down, curve, diagonal. One more time, ready? Down, curve, diagonal. Good job. Now we're gonna use our scarf. And if you don't have a scarf at home, you can use a tissue, a piece of fabric, anything that you have handy. So first, let's get warmed up. So can you move it really fast? Can you move it really slow? Can you move it up and down? Can you wave it down low? Can you wave it on top of your head? Can you wave it behind your back? Good job, everyone. Now let's also, can you make a U shape? Great. Can you make a circle? Which is could be also a letter O. Can you make a C? Like that? Awesome. Now let's try to write the letter R, but with our scarf. So first, let's do the up and down shape. Then let's do the curve. And then lastly, the diagonal. Good job, everyone. Using scarves is a great way to practice doing the same motions you would do when you're writing. Now, our scarf song is to the tune of London Bridges, but we'll do a different scarf action. So ready? Wave your scarf up and down, up and down, up and down. Wave your scarf up and down, wave your scarf. Great. Next, let's do fast and slow. Wave your scarf fast and slow, fast and slow, fast and slow. Wave your scarf fast and slow, wave your scarf. Awesome. And lastly, let's do high and low. Ready? Wave your scarf high and low, high and low, high and low. Wave your scarf high and low, wave your scarf. Good job, everyone. If you have more time at home, you can come up with all different other ways to wave your scarf around. And that is all the time we have today. So with that, let's sing our goodbye song. Ready? We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you next time.